Hey beauty queens, and thank you for tuning in for another review. This hair I'm going to be using is from Miss Sexy Hair. It's their 10-inch bob. It is a frontal lace. I'm going to be coloring it magenta. This is one of the colors that L'Oreal has for their dark hair only. I am not going to be bleaching the hair first. It is a permanent color. We're going to be just mixing the developer and the color together, and that's how we're gonna get this red. Miss Sexy Hair, they send you a pamphlet so you know exactly what to do with the hair, how to treat it, what to use. That will give you your best results. So you guys can just sit and watch. I am going to cut the hair a little more so that it's even all the way across. But like I said, it is 10 inches. The L'Oreal High Lift Color can be found in your local beauty supply store, as well as the developer and all of the other things that you need that I used in this video. So before I go, as you guys can see, I'm spraying the lace with Got To Be Free spray. Then I'm going to put it in a dryer for about 10 minutes so that it can dry, just to make sure I do not get any color on the lace. And that's one thing that you do not want. If your lace is a color, it's not going to look as natural as it could possibly look. And you can't go on top of it, try to color it with concealer, because it's not going to look as natural as it could possibly look. So here we go. As you can see, it's hard. I sat it in the dryer, and I'm going to put it on my mannequin head, and I'm going to start coloring. Now that the color's all gone, we've washed it out. Now it's time to put it on. This looks crazy. The wigs always look crazy when you put them on before you start styling them. Well, not all of them, but this one does.
ensures your writing is mistake-free and clear, as well as more interesting, or better yet, more enjoyable. Because the better we understand each other, the better we connect. Grammarly, helping you connect. Go to Grammarly.com to download.
I don't want my bob to be this long, so if you don't have someone who can help you cut because you can't see the back, you can just do this. It's called a squeeze cut. I'm putting all of the hair into a ponytail. I actually think I have another video where I do this as well. A lot of times I do ask my boyfriend, he'll cut it for me, but I didn't have that. He wasn't around to help me, so I'm going to just go ahead and do a squeeze cut. And you pull all the hair into a ponytail and you cut the end of the ponytail off, and it gives you a bob instantly. without you having to, you know, really see the back. I'm going to go back in with my flat iron just to get those ends bumped. And I think we're done. That's a wrap. You guys already know the routine. All of the info is going to be in the description box below. The purchase links for this hair, like I said, the color, if you like the color, you can find it at your local beauty supply store. It is L'Oreal High Lift Color. They have a red line, and they also have a line for blondes. But this product is for dark hair only. So if you have like 613 hair or the hair is already lightened, do not put this on top of it, because you will not get the color that is advertised. You will get a different color. Like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. Hit the notification button so you guys can see when or be the first, I should say, to see when I have new content. And I will always be coming to you guys with different wig companies, different reviews on different types of hair. And yeah, so I'll see you guys later.